कला आश्रम की एक ब्रांच जो कि अटलांटा में चल रही है, जिसका निर्देशन और सिखा रहे हैं अनुराग। मेरे अच्छे शिष्य हैं, वो बहुत बढ़िया अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। और मैं भी कभी आऊँगा और देखूँगा सब बच्चों को, उनकी तालीम कैसी हो रही, क्या हो रही, तो वहाँ कर देखूँगा भी। और बस दिवाली के शुभ अवसर पे हमारी बहुत बहुत शुभकामना, सबको आशीर्वाद। खूब रियाज करिए, खूब मेहनत करिए और कथक का नाम हो और हम कह सकें बड़े गर्व से कि हमारे जो ब्रांच है वहाँ का अटलांटा के बच्चे जो खूब अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। बहुत बहुत शुभकामना, बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद। खुश रहिए।
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं श्वेता दुबे आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ अटलांटा दुनिया वीडियोकास्ट परिक्रमा में। Yes, as you just heard Birjuji Maharaj's words of appreciation for Anurag Sharma ji, a direct disciple of Birju Maharaj ji, who is also the artistic director for the Atlanta branch called by name Kala Ashram USA. Yes, so we invited Anurag Sharma ji into our studio to chat and share some of his journey, some of his experience here in Atlanta. Let's hear the conversation with Anurag ji. अनुराग जी, तो जैसे कि नमस्ते। तो जैसे कि आपसे बात हो रही थी कि आप जानते तो सब लोग हैं आपको, लेकिन फिर भी मैं थोड़ा-सा समय आपसे लेना चाहती हूँ और आपसे कहना चाहती हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि आप अपना परिचय दीजिए हमारे दर्शकों को।
Thank you so much, first of all, for Atlanta Dunia for inviting me. And so my name is Anurag Sharma. I'm a direct disciple of the living legend Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji. And I have started learning Kathak for about 19 years ago from Rita Mustafiji of Minneapolis. I started here in Minneapolis and then kind of started learning and went to India and get trained under Maharaji for 6 months in a Guru Shishya Parampara.
Very nice. I am so pleased. I am so glad. I have never met such a guy. So humble, so nice, so sweet in nature. You are so giving. And it tells the tradition. You know, जब कला की बात आती है तो ट्रेडिशन की बात आती है, कल्चर की बात आती है, परंपरा की बात आती है. We all can see it and we all can notice and we get those vibes from you. That's very nice to have you here today. लेकिन अनुराग जी, आप अपनी जर्नी के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए कि आप कहाँ से, मतलब कैसी रही आपकी जर्नी?
Yes, yeah, that's a very interesting question because मेरी journey definitely बहुत interesting रही from the very beginning. I belong to a family where we are, I'm born and brought up in India, Delhi, and we do not have any musical or classical background in our families, both sides, my dad's side, my mom's side. Um, I had never ever imagined myself, that I will be learning classical dance style that to Kathak, and but I always enjoyed dancing, free dancing, who we all do, right? We all dance, on our own tunes, right? So, but then, in India, how it is, we were studying and then we got a job and then, I moved to, I came to USA in 1998 and after getting married and so we came here in Minneapolis, and in 2003 I somehow got connected with Rita Mustafiji, who's the artistic director of Katha Dance Theater, and that was like a God sent person, I think it's a destiny, I call it. And my wife always says that it's there's something that you had to complete from your previous life, which is what you're doing right now. And so I started learning from Rita ji, and then connected with the the Param Guru Maharaj ji, and had this opportunity. Life after learning for 10 years or 12 years, I had this great opportunity to go back to India and stayed with Maharaji for. I was able to stay with Maharaji for 6 months in a Guru Shishya Parampara. So I traveled with Maharaji. I performed in his company. Kind of assisted them in the in workshops. So even when I'm talking, I'm getting bumps because this was a really a lifetime opportunity, and get to not in the classroom. This is a, you're talking about legend. You know, there's a reason why they are called legends.
बिल्कुल
So humble at that such a stature, and dance is one thing, learning classical form is one thing, but to learn how to be a good human being, a humble human being, um, it was just excellent, and it was a great opportunity and learned a lot. Then I came back, and then I wanted to start something on my own, and after coming back from India, and then the opportunity came, and I have my family, extended family in Atlanta, and we found out there is none of the Lucknow Gharana style of Kathak, and we'll talk about the different Gharanas in Atlanta. So I opened Kalashram USA. It's a school of Kathak dance and performing arts. Kalashram is also another blessing is Kalashram is affiliated with Kalashram India, which is Maharajji's his own institution. So he gave me blessing to take his name forward and take his lineage forward and open first branch in USA.
बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल सही।
So
आपने बहुत सुंदरता के सामने साथ ये कहा कि कहते हैं ना वो गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागो पाए बलिहारी गुरु आप किसने गोविंद दियो बताए। तो बिना उनके आशीर्वाद के तो ये जर्नी कुछ नहीं थी, बट यू हैड क्वाइट अ जर्नी। लेकिन एंड वी फील लकी, वी एटलांटियंस, वी जॉर्जियंस, वी फील लकी टू हैव यू हियर। एक बात है अनुराग जी की, कहते हैं कि जब नाचने की जब कला की बात आती है तो फीमेल और मोर इनटू इट। सो मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रही थी कि आपका क्या टेक है इस पे?
yes, it's a very, very interesting question. So, forget about everybody. I'll tell you about myself. मैं खुद, like as I said, in 2003, and I got connected with Rita Didi. I had reservations myself because of unawareness. Unfortunately, because I'm not from classical background families, or growing up, we were not in classical music and dance. So even I myself as a boy, I was thinking, you have those misconceptions that it's too soft, and as you said, there are more females, in dance. But then when I saw Maharajji is a male and he has his sons. Maharajji is the 7th generation in his Lucknow Gharana. And Maharajji has 5 kids, he has 2 sons and 3 daughters, and their son, like grandkids. So 9th generation is also performing. So when I got connected with Maharajji and when I saw Maharajji's performance, Maharajji's son's performance, so I said, no, this is not how it, again, misconceptions just got clear. The way Maharajji always says, how you present yourself, the grace, that's very important. And that's a feature of Lucknow Gharana of Kathak, um, to have those expressions. And there's a lot of strong footwork patterns. There's sort of spins. So, and I was in a very kind of a technical job at that time. So this used to be like a stress reliever for me. We go to we do meditation, we go to Mandir, we do this, right? So many avenues we try to find. I found it as a stress reliever for me when I started learning. And then there was no going back, no looking back.
वाओ, वेरी नाइस। इंटरेस्टिंग टू हियर कि आपकी जर्नी जैसी रही है और जिस तरह का आउटकम आया है। व्हाट एन एग्जांपल यू आर फॉर सो मेनी। लेकिन अनुराग जी, आजकल का ज़माना तो बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट है। हर जगह बॉलीवुड, हर जगह नाचना, वो फ़िल्मी गाने लगा के, तो उन सब चीज़ों को, उन पैटर्न्स को देखते हुए what challenges do you feel? Like, and especially, not to mention in pandemic, we can't even go face-to-face learning. So how do you deal with all this?
Yes. So I think it's a two-part question.
Correct.
So I'll tell you first about the challenges. It's a very, very, very good question. I'll start saying that I personally have no problem with Bollywood dancing. There's a good Bollywood, there's bad Bollywood. The problem that I face personally is when I see around and people are teaching Bollywood dance and saying they're teaching Kathak Bollywood.
जी
that is, I think, a disgrace to the art form and to our gurus and and everybody, because people think that if you're putting Kathak name, the classical side of it, so you'll get more. As I said, I personally have very good friends in Atlanta who run Bollywood schools, and they are great teachers. They are doing excellent work. So you won't believe when I get inquiries for calls, and people will some. And again, it's unawareness at the parents' part. Some people don't know. I mean, I must see myself, you know, that time that I had no idea. So some people call me and they say, Anurag ji, आप कौन सा Bollywood dance सिखाते हैं कथक में? And I don't even know where to start, but I very humbly I tell them, I said, I think this is not the right place for you. There are great schools in Atlanta. Don't get confused and don't confuse your kid, because these are the foundation building years. So decide what you want to do. I'm telling you, I have a daughter. She's in second year of college now. She started learning Hindustani vocal classical music, and started learning Kathak since she was 7 years old. And she was 9 years old when she started doing Kathak. Till today, she's doing Kathak and she's singing because she was at it. It was being consistent. And I also feel that in today's age, when the media is so much out, kids are always on the phone. They need some outlet to either go out or do some activity which is other than just being on the screen. I know we, as parents, we all deal with that, right? We all try to find avenues. But I think that's another aspect of it. But I also feel that music and dance give a lot of focus. It's kind of a refresher. So so the challenge that I get is how to kind of change mindset. It's very hard to change mindset, right? So I always try to say, yes, if you're sending your kid, you have to be patient. It's a sadhana, you know. It's more than a dance when you're started learning Kathak. It has to come to your body, mind has to be in sync, and you be at it. After sometimes you start seeing those fruits, those it's flourish. So you just start enjoying. So yes.
इंटरेस्टिंग डेडिकेशन की आपने जो बात की कि साधना है, बिल्कुल नृत्य या कोई भी कला एक बहुत बड़ी साधना है, और इसके लिए आपको बहुत कुछ गिव अप करना होता है, आपको डिसिप्लिन होना होता है, आपको रोज प्रैक्टिस करनी है. इट्स नॉट लाइक अ बॉलीवुड यू वॉच ऑन द यूट्यूब एंड यू जस्ट लर्न. इट्स अ
Yeah,
डेडिकेशन. इट्स द स्टडी ऑफ माइंड, स्टडी ऑफ होल सोल एंड हार्ट, आई वुड से.
absolutely.
आपने
Absolutely.
बहुत अच्छे से कहा इस बात को. लेकिन आप I was going to the pandemic challenge that we have. How do we do? We can't do face to face. So how do you deal with this?
Another great question. Before pandemic started, before March, a lot of people for all these years have been asking me to start, online class or do online class. When I started my school, some people in Minneapolis asked me, and I said, no, I don't think so. Kathak is something that you can teach or anybody can learn online, because it's so much detail, in-person classes. I will still say that that's not my preferred method. I don't think so. I would like to do this forever. But having said that, I think this is working great so far for the time being, because people are getting to continue what they are learning. I even started a new batch, which is brand new. First time I met them virtually, which was just great, and that's going fine. So they're liking it.
That's
So I think you get more creative by teaching online, and I will also say it becomes more work on the teacher's part when I'm online, because you have to make sure. I mean, if you have 20 people or 16 people in your class, you're seeing them here, and everybody has to be mute. I cannot see their footwork, and I can see, but I cannot hear that. And so you have to be a little bit creative. You go one by one, you go a little slower, but I think people do appreciate that. And I'll tell you, my school enrollment has actually is more than what I was doing in person, because now I have people joining from California, I have people joining from Dallas, from Illinois. So I think, as I said, you just have to be creative. We are in we call it strange times, and the best we can do is to get that 1 hour for either students or parents, or to just give something, try to give them something which is out of their regular routine, so it's challenging, but it's going very well.
Good for you. I can tell that you're keeping it interesting and you're engaging your students and you're giving them 100% what they need, what they're looking for, and you're able to connect. That's the best part of it.
Yes.
Now, Anurag ji, can you please share some information about the Kala Ashram USA that you are going to, you are doing it already and you are starting more and more classes?
Yes. So Kalashram USA, as I said, is School of Kathak Dance and Performing Arts. We follow Lucknow Gharana of Kathak. I said, I'll tell you that there are different gharanas of or traditions of Kathak. Jaipur Gharana, Lucknow Gharana, Banaras Gharana. Though two prominent ones are that prominently you hear is Jaipur and Lucknow Gharana. Maharajji style is Lucknow Gharana of Kathak, which really teaches you the posture and grace. That is very very important. I'm very very happy to say that I've completed first year of Kalashram USA already, and thank you. And then
Congratulations.
we had a recital online, and Maharajji was able to give his blessings to all my students online, yet he taught them a little bit something too. And we wish him all the best, and hopefully we'll see him in Atlanta. My students will able to get his blessings. And so my school is in 3 locations right now, in Marietta, in Cumming, and in Duluth at Yugal Kunj. I had to mention Yugal Kunj because Yugal Kunj, without Yugal Kunj, I probably would have not been existed here, because Yugal Kunj supported me so much when I came to Atlanta, when I started Atlanta. It was like they opened the doors, and it's like home. So the feeling that I got at Yugal Kunj, I'm always be thankful to the whole all members of Yugal Kunj. Um, I was about to open my 4th location in Alpharetta because there's a lot of demand, but then pandemic happened. So yeah, we are doing online right now. We are doing great. I started new batches. In fact, this coming week we are starting the new batch. I did an open house, yesterday, and classes are from ages 6 till above. I have student of 6 years old and 62 years old. So there's a long range, and it's for everybody. And when I teach, I learn by teaching. So learning never stops. That's another thing. So you never ever stop learning. And Atlanta has been very welcoming. You all are great. So I only hope for the best.
I was going to ask you that you're moving to Atlanta, and we Atlantans are very good, but I was going to ask you, how are they treating you?
No, they are treating me very well. Why do you think I'm continuing and I'm planning to move? Why do you think? There's a reason, because I had no, other than my cousins, our family. I didn't know how it's gonna be, and because there are other schools, how people are gonna see, as you said, male teacher. It's a little different. But I think when people saw I performed few places, and then when I gave some classes, when people saw, your work speaks, your quality speaks. And
Quality over quantity is always my motto. It's always, nice to have people who they are down to earth and they know what they're doing. They know their profession and they have dedication. They are giving up 100% to it. That's what, and it shows in your work. You're right. एंड पेंडामिक हो या जो मर्जी है वो आए, आप रुकने वाले नहीं हो. लोगों के बिजनेस ठप हो रहे हैं तो कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन आपको कुछ नहीं रोक सकता. आप चलते ही जा रहे हो, रोज नई क्लासेस खोल रहे हो और रोज नया लोकेशन खोल रहे हो. वाह जी वाह, बहुत अच्छी बात है. हम सब आपकी शुभकामना देते हैं आपको. लेकिन what do you want your students to take from you, from your classes, from your knowledge? It's very important for students to know what they're looking for or what they can.
Exactly. So it's very important for me, as I said. So when kids, adults, I have a big range. When What students take out of from my class is the understanding of what they're doing. The problem is, it's a classical form, and then you have to be creative. The teaching for younger kids is different than adults.
जी.
With younger kids, you play tag. You have to be creative. Whether it's a Kathak, it's a storytelling. A Kathak is a storytelling dance. So you tell stories with your expressions. So there are a lot of deer dance. There are different ways you find to make it interesting. Yeah. So when they go out of my class, I want them to have that urge that they cannot wait to come back to the next class. Because they are learning something. Not only they are learning to just dance, they are understanding, they know how to write those bowls, the vocabulary of Kathak. So to me, learn less, which is what Maharaji told me. Do less, but do it properly. You don't have to learn the whole everything, but do it gracefully. So definitely, not only they learn dance, but I also try to teach them discipline, and a culture. I explain everything because we do a lot of devotional dances. There's a lot of, we do Bhumi Pranam before and end. We start with Bhumi Pranam and we end with Bhumi Pranam after dance. So what is Bhumi Pranam? Why are we doing it? So the more you explain in a normal fashion, whether it's a kid or whether it's adult, that makes it interesting. It's a very interactive session in my class. It's not just come, dance, go. No.
I can tell you engage.
And I expect a lot from my students too. They have a homework, they have to go. I'm always available for them. The classroom is not the only time. They can WhatsApp me, they can call me. I ask them to send their practice videos just to make sure they are progressing.
Right. So they have no easy way out. They're stuck with you. They have no easy way out, but you're gonna take them through it. That's great. That's really nice to hear that teachers are willing in today's time, with their busy schedule, willing to do such a thing. What you said, अनुराग जी, समय की सीमा है हमारे पास, तो मैं आपसे बस एक दो क्वेश्चन और पूछना चाहती हूँ कि what do you love the most about teaching Kathak? And related to that, another question is that what is the hardest part of your job?
Yeah. So I'll answer the last one first because I want to end at on a good note.
Sure.
So the hardest part of Kathak is to read minds. So every student or every parent expectations. When they come. So that's one of the things when I have a new enrollment, I talk to them and I clear the expectations, set the expectations. This is what you're coming for. This is what you're going to be getting. The regular feedback, proper learning, and this is what I expect. I expect you to be on time. I expect you to be Indian attire. It's just not some dancing. It's more than a dance. I want you to be with your notebook. So there's a discipline, I think. So I always clear the expectations. But the hard part becomes is, again, you don't know the mindset. So you deal with different people, and try to explain it to them in a sense that they understand. And at the end of the day, we are working for our kids. We are trying to give them a culture. We are trying to provide them the environment where they can grow, not only with dance, but they learn the teamwork. They learn the discipline, the focus. There's just a lot of learning. It's just not only dance. And
life is learning.
absolutely,
Life is about learning.
never stops. Learning never stops, ever.
And the first part of the question, what do you like the most about teaching Kathak?
So what do I like most teaching about Kathak is, I remember Maharajji's words when I was coming from after completing my training with him. So I said, Maharaji, what do you want me to do? Other than rehearse, I'll practice, I'll try to do. He said, he told me one thing. He said, uh, take Kathak and teach, but bikherna nahi. So his mean is like, you make sure you're teaching only people who can get it, right? So, there's a lot of learning that I got by observing him or by being with him. I was blessed, to do that. But he said, make sure you are making a proper use of it.
कितनी बड़ी बात है, कितनी बड़ी बात है ये कि टेक दैट एंड टीच दैट बट बिखेरना नहीं, मतलब देना भी उन्हीं को है जो संभाल के रख सके,
Exactly.
जो उसकी वैल्यू करे।
To value
हाँ,
person.
इसको कहते हैं कला और इसको कहते हैं कला का कदरदान। अनुराग जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके आज। इट इज़ सच अ प्लेजर टू हैव यू इन आवर सिटी, इन आवर स्टेट, कि हमारे बच्चों को भी सीखने को मिलेगा, उन्हें भी एक अच्छे संस्कार मिलेंगे, अच्छा पथ प्रदर्शक मिलेगा आप जैसा। और वी ऑल विश कि महाराज जी से कभी मिलना हो, उनका तो नाम लेना ही
Yes.
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने, कान छूना पड़ता है कि उनका तो नाम ही इतना महान है। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग एंड वी विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। Come to us and let us know if we can do anything for you in Atlanta.
Thank you so much once again for doing this. And I look forward to meeting you, and look forward to teaching and taking my mission of sharing little bit of knowledge that I have with everybody.
And not to forget quality over quantity.
Absolutely, that's the must. It's must.
चलिए, फिर आपसे जल्दी ही मुलाकात होगी। नमस्कार।
So much. Namaskar.